Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Dark Reader Chrome extension to turn website into dark mode easily. It helps reduce eye strain and make browsing more comfortable, especially at night. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Go to search bar and search for Dark Reader. Click on Add to Chrome, then click on Add Extension. You will see it will installed successfully. Now go to the puzzle icon, mark it as pin. Now you will visit any of the website, like I am visiting Wikipedia. You will see it will opening in dark mode. If you want in dark mode, you can just turn on the dark mode. Like I will opening another website, see dark mode. If you turn it off, dark mode will be turned off. You can also adjust the contrast, sepia, grayscale easily. You can even disable dark mode for specific website if needed and enable. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Dark Reader Chrome extension. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.